Hello and welcome to this presentation of the Technical Drawing course that I teach at Farhat Abbas University, Setif 1. First, allow me to introduce myself. I am Dr. BALI Tarek, Assistant Professor at the Institute of Optics and Precision Mechanics at Setif University. Feel free to contact me for any information regarding my research work or my area of expertise. This course is for first-year students in the COP program. It includes a fundamental teaching unit with credits of 5 and coefficient of 3. 1.5 hours of classes per week, which totals 22 hours and 30 minutes for the entire semester. And for the practical sessions, we will have a total of 45 hours. By the end of this course, the student will assimilate the basics of technical drawing. He will also develop skills in reading and interpreting technical drawings. And of course, apply technical drawing standards. As a requirement, the student should have basic knowledge of mathematical calculations, prior understanding of geometry. For the course content, we have 4 chapters. Chapter 1, General Knowledge and Study Plan. Chapter 2, Execution of Technical Drawings. Chapter 3, Views, Cuttings and Sections. Chapter 4, Dimensioning Techniques. Technical drawing is a standardized language used by technicians to communicate. It uses symbols, dimensions, and perspectives to represent objects and systems accurately. Drawings follow international standards like ISO and AFNO. These standards help in defining rules for dimensions, projections, and notations to maintain consistency across industries. Technical drawings can be created by hand or with the help of computer-aided design (CAD) software. Types of drawings. 3D drawing. It gives an overall view of the mechanism. It is produced using CAD. The assembly drawing. It represents an entire mechanism. It is made up of the assembly of several parts and allows an understanding of the role of each element. The definition drawing. It represents a part taken from the overall drawing and define the entire piece. It is the starting point for manufacturing of each part. Drawing in exploded view represents in perspective the parts of an object in relation to each other. Drawing in perspective represents the object in volume. He shows it as the eye could see it. Technical drawing support and standard sheet sizes are crucial for maintaining consistency and clarity in technical and engineering drawings. These supports have standardized dimensions. The most common standard is the A series. From a 0 to a 4. Lines are drawn following standard conventions. Various types of lines are used to construct drawing, such as unbroken line, dash dot line or dotted line. In general, each line should have one of the 2 thicknesses, thick or thin. For example, the continuous thick line is used for outlines, visible edges, etc. However, the continuous thin line is used for dimension lines, extension lines, etc. To prepare the sheet of paper for the drawing, we have to follow some permanent elements. Firstly, we have to draw the margin by a strong continuous line. Secondly, the title block, box. The title block is the identity sheet of the drawing. It contains the title of the drawing, the scale of the drawing, the identity of the designer, last name, first name, class, the date, format, name of the establishment. Sometimes we need to change the size of the draw. So, we use scale that shows the ratio between the drawing dimensions and the real dimensions. For orthogonal projection, we have the choice between French or American standard. Generally, the French one is used in Algeria, where views are arranged in the first angle projection method. Firstly, we have to draw the margin by a strong continuous line. For the preparation of the A4 sheet with dimensions 297 by 210 mm, we must draw the margin 10 mm from the edge. Next, Draw the title block containing the essential informations. Based on the front view of the isometric view, we will identify the dimensions L, W, and H, and calculate the horizontal interval X and the vertical interval Y. Preferably, the front view should be drawn first. Once the front view is established, we can proceed to create the top view by projecting vertically upward, capturing the depth and width of the object. Similarly, the side view is formed by projecting horizontally from the front view. Each projection represents a different perspective of the object on a 2D plane. Basic drafting system requires an accurate table and constant attention to the positioning of the tools. The drafter uses several technical drawing tools such as pencils, pens, set square or triangle, compasses to draw curves and circles. Drawing pencils should have a high quality to help produce good quality technical sketches and drawings. Use light lines for construction lines, lettering guidelines, and precise layout work. Use dark, dense black lines for the final lines, lettering, and arrowheads. Drawings are often reproduced, and the lines need to be dark for the copies to turn out well. Drawing pencils are made of graphite with a polymer binder or clay binder. They are divided into 18 grades from 9H, the hardest, to 7B, rulers, the softest, as shown in figure below. Edge T-square that used as a guide for drawing horizontal lines on a drafting table. Set square or triangle is an object used in technical drawing, with the aim of providing a straightedge at a right angle or other particular planar angle to a baseline. Protractor. A protractor is a square, circular or semicircular tool, typically made of transparent plastic, for measuring angles. Most protractors measure angles in degrees, degree. They are used for a variety of mechanical and engineering-related applications. Circle template and compasses. The drafter uses several technical drawing tools to draw curves and circles. Primary among these are the compasses, used for drawing arcs and circles. Circle template has labeled cutouts to quickly add precisely measured circle and arc elements to a drawing without the aid of a scaled ruler or compass. Thank you for your attention.